Wari me mitiga budju na wunya. You good night, Awabakal Ngurrawa. Hello friend, good to see you. Today I'm on Awabakal country. And well, it's a bit of a sad day for me. So I said for a while now, while I was taking my break and everything, that some big things were happening to the channel. And look, I've already announced the name change. I've already announced some sponsors coming on board and new website and merch and things like that. What I haven't announced, the old girl here, she's going to get chopped. Now you might be like, what? It's a monocoque body. How the hell are you going to chop it? Well, I ain't doing a U conversion, don't worry about that. That's not my thing. What I am doing, however, is taking it in to get all the bloody rust cut out of it. So, up in the front, above the windscreen, since I've purchased the car, it's had rust in it. And in the third row seat, well, there's a massive chunk, massive hole underneath that needs to come out as well. So, it's going in tomorrow to get all the bloody rust done, get parts cut out of it and new parts put in. I've got a whole new seat well to go into it. Oh, second-hand seat well out of a wreck, but you know, I've got a whole new seat well going in there that's got no rust in the damn thing and all that. So she's going in to get all the cancer taken out of her, get all the rust done, and come back to me, hopefully rust-free. So, fun part though, I've got to strip it first. So let's get into it. There's another reason I don't like that style of roof rack system. No matter how much you clean it, gets this crap under it all the time, and these little clips start to rust out. So as much as I hate those roof racks, as I said, I kind of don't have much choice but to stick with them. At the moment, I'm looking at the Ocam set, and I was about to bite the bullet and buy a set until I found out that it's back order and I won't be getting them till September. So that means I've got to rip all the roof lining and that apart again to put the damn things in. So I'm unfortunately a little bit disappointed with that. I would have liked to have put the Ocam set on here, but if I've got to wait till September, I can't leave the car pulled apart like it is until September. So unfortunately that doesn't look like it'll be happening, but here's what it is. I might just have to buy a new fitting kit for these and reinstall them at least for now. Alrighty guys, I'm down here at Vango Rapid Repair Centre with Matt, and he's going to let us know what's got to be done with the patch. Well, effectively what's actually been done, because I'm here to pick it up. So,
What's already been done?
What have we done to it, mate?
A lot of chopping and welding. So now we assessed the spare wheel carrier storage compartment in the boot floor. As it had really good rust.
I know that floor, as you guys have seen, that floor was shocking.
Yeah, and it had been sunk and the carpet had been wet for very many years. I think even probably longer than you've had the car.
I think it was well before me.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, now we did some measuring. You've supplied us with some new parts out of another Pajero, and then we just measured twice, cut once, and then got it to fit and replaced the boot floor.
Yeah, nice.
To seal it all up and make it last another 10, 15 years.
Hopefully a bit more. And then you've done around the windscreen and that floor.
Yeah, we took the front windscreen out. We had Steve from Vision Auto Glass come and take the front windscreen out for us and replace with the new one. The rust behind the windscreen was very minimal.
Yeah, right. When I bought the car, there was that patch right above the windscreen. That was there when I bought the car. So that's been there for 5 years now.
Yeah, no, we treated that. We sanded it back to spare metal, put some rust converter on it, let it sit overnight. Yep. And then repaired it the next morning. It wasn't too bad actually. There's just a little bit of bubbles. Yeah, it hadn't gone all the way through. So now it was an easy fix. What else? Now around the doors. Yep. Around the doors, same thing. Sanded it back, treated a rust converter, came back the next day, filled in the holes, did a few repairs and paint job.
Yeah, nice. Now you've had it for a week today, so I'll be glad to get home and get started on the rest of the work. You guys will notice in the footage that Matt's only put a bit of primer on a lot of the areas that he's repaired, especially over the windscreen and that. That's for another reason. So stick with us, make sure you subscribe because that's coming up into the next video, starting to get a bit of Predator going.
Nice.
So I'll be real happy with that.
I can't wait to see it finished.
Yeah, well mate, she's going to be pleased hopefully when she's done. I'll spend a couple of bucks on it.
Don't we all on all of our cars?
Yeah, well that's the thing with the four-wheel drive, as everybody with the 4B knows, it's a never-ending project.
Never is. So, never ends.
And you'll be the same with your trip car. Yep.
Yeah, so, never ends. Always something to buy.
Yeah.
Always something to fix.
Yeah, that's it. So, alrighty guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm going to take the patch home and give Matt some money. So get the patch home and then get started for the rest of the one. Yanma Bujini Murugu, Yano. Walk a good path. Goodbye.